Hello everyone, my name is Ramsey. My teammates, Juan and Edward, and I will be showing you guys our pre-workout and post-workout meals. And in addition to that, we'll be showing you guys how to make them properly. Now let's get started.
Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a protein salad. Let's get started.
The ingredients we need to make this dish are vegetable oil, paprika, sesame oil, thyme, salt, tofu, chickpeas, salt, pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, sweet potato, onion, quinoa, avocado, spinach, lettuce, cabbage, carrot, and finally garlic. Firstly, we're going to make the marinade for the tofu. To do that, we need to mix the paprika, vegetable oil, thyme, salt, and sesame oil until they are fairly mixed. Once you're done, pour the mixture into a plastic bag and shake it with the tofu inside it. Make sure that the tofu gets an equal amount of the marinade. Cook the tofu for roughly 5 minutes and make sure to flip them in order for them to have equal texture and flavor. Next, cook the chickpeas on a frying pan for a few minutes and make sure to flip them over in order for them to have equal flavor and texture. Once the peas are finished cooking, add salt, pepper, chili powder, and garlic powder. Right after this, we'll begin cutting the ingredients, starting with the carrot. Then the cabbage, then the marinated tofu, the avocado, the garlic, the spinach, the lettuce, the onion, and lastly, the sweet potato. The next step would be to pour a little bit of salt, garlic, and vegetable oil to the sweet potato and onion. Now heat them up in the oven for 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Now that you've completed all of the necessary steps, now's the time to place all the ingredients into a bowl with no specific order and in your personal preference. And that is how to make a protein salad, perfect for a pre-workout meal. We hope it was beneficial and we hope that you liked the tutorial on how to make the protein salad. Before we continue to the post-workout meal, here's a short review from someone we know about the pre-workout meal.
This salad tastes really good. At the same time, it's fresh.
Now we're going to be making the post-workout meal, a Mexican-style chicken wrap. First of all, we're going to be making the marinade. The ingredients are as follows: 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, some salt and pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cumin, and half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Put the ingredients into a bowl and then stir well until they are all combined together. Now pour the marinade over the chicken breasts and flip the chicken around so that all sides are covered equally by the marinade. Leave it to marinate for around 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can also prepare the other components of the dish. After the chicken is done marinating, Put it on a frying pan on medium-high heat and cook until it is completely cooked through. Make sure to flip so that both sides are cooked evenly. After cooking the chicken, you could also saute the remainder of the onion that you have from before, as well as some bell peppers. Make sure to remove the seeds from the bell peppers and cut it into strips first before cooking. To make the sauce, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a teaspoon of minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of chopped coriander, a tablespoon of lime juice, the zest of half a lime, some salt and pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of chili flakes, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Put all of the ingredients into a bowl and stir well until they are combined. To make the pico de gallo, you are going to need 2 tomatoes, a 1/4 of an onion, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, a tablespoon of lime juice, and some salt. First, remove the jelly parts of the tomato and chop it. And then chop the onion as well as the coriander leaves. Mix all the ingredients into a bowl and stir until they are combined. Now the ingredients are done and it's time to serve. First of all, toast the tortilla on the pan for a little bit. And then, place your ingredients into the tortilla and wrap it however you please. Serve with a side of pico de gallo and garnish with some microgreens and some coriander leaves. You could also add a little bit of lettuce. And there you have it, a healthy and tasty post-workout meal. But don't just take it from me, listen to what someone else has to say about it.
It tastes really good. The chicken is cooked perfectly, it's juicy, it's tender. The pico de gallo gives it a nice freshness and a little crunch. And the microgreens inside it's really interesting. They spicy, they sweet, and they taste really good overall.
And that's it from this video. We hope it was beneficial for you guys, and thank you for watching.